Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing an acrylic infill. I've already filed and prepped these nails and I am now using Rebecca Abernethy's dehydrator and primer on all the natural nail. And then I will be going in with Rebecca Abernethy's Flawless Clear. And I'm just going to place a little bead of that on the ring finger and the middle finger. And then I'm going to go back to that ring finger and place some iridescent angel paper that I've cut up onto that wet acrylic, and then I will leave that to set before I cap that in the clear. And then on the middle nail I will be using Nail Sugar's Glitter Pixels, and I'll just be giving that a coat of that sparkly goodness. And then once I've done that, I will be using Rebecca Abernethy's Cover Pink on the remainder of the nails. And now I'm just going to cap that ring finger and middle finger with Rebecca Abernethy's Flawless Clear. So I've already filed these nails now. And I'm going to be doing a cute Tinkerbell on this middle nail. And my client brought in an image for me to copy. So I'm just going to start outlining my design, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm now going to be using Semolax Frappe that I'm going to be using for the skin tone colour of Tinkerbell's face and neck. And once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to repeat that process, and then I'll pop that into the lamp again for 30 seconds. So I'm now going to go in with Semolax Kaimak, and this is a gorgeous yellow colour. So I'm going to be using that for her hair, the base colour of her hair. And then once I've popped in the shape that I would like, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to add a little bit of Semolax Banana, which is a slightly more pastel yellow. Once I've added that to her hair and added a bit of highlight, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going in with Semolax Strong White, and I'm going to start popping in some hair strokes to give it a little bit of definition and depth. And then once I've done that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 20 seconds. So now I'm going in with Semolax Melon Mash, which is a slightly mustardy orange toned gel polish, and I'm going to be adding in some more hair strokes, and then I will flash cure that in the lamp for 20 seconds. So now I'm going to be using Semolax Dark Chocolate just to finish off highlighting her hair and creating them hair strokes and the shape of her hair. Once I've done that and I'm happy with how it's looking, I'm going to pop that into the lamp to full cure for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use Semolax Strong White, and I'm just going to create a little bit of a dot where I want her nose to be. I'm just going to blend that in slightly, and then that's going to help me with the positioning of her eyes. And once I've filled in her eyes with the white, I'm then going to take Semolax Dark Chocolate, and I'm just going to outline the frame of her face a little bit, just to make sure that I've got everything in the correct position. And once I'm happy, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to use Intense Blue for the pupils of her eyes, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm using Strawberry Blue here, and then I'll pop that into the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've already used Semolax Black just to start framing her eyes, because I wanted to make sure that they were going to be sitting right. And then I've come in with Dark Chocolate, and I'm now starting to frame her nose and create her eyebrows. And then I continue to use that colour for the shading around her hairline and around her chin and neck. And then once I'm happy with that, I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to use Semolax Pink Rose for her lips. So now I'm using a bit of Semolax Strong White just to create some highlights on her face and around her cheekbones. And then once I've done that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to finish by adding a little bit of green to that ribbon and some pink on her cheeks just to give her a bit of shade in there, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to full cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to outline Tinkerbell and all her little features with Semolax Black Art Gel, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to use Semolax Strong White to create a bit of a diamond shape on that index finger, and then I'm also going to use that on the little nail and thumb, and then I will pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. And I'm just going to repeat that process and pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. I'm just using Semolax Design Gel in gold, and I'm just going to go around that, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm now going to top coat all these using Rebecca Abernethy's No Wipe Top Gloss. So using Nail Sugar's Glacier Glitter while that top coat is wet, I'm just going to create a sugaring effect and sprinkle that onto the little nail and thumb, and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm just finishing this set with a little bit of cuticle oil. I hope you enjoyed this cute Tinkerbell inspired set, and if you did, please like and subscribe.